So let us just start with a basic look at the Security Plus system. The Security Plus system consists of a webcam so that you could stream live images over the internet, and it has two sensors, a motion sensor, which is essentially a vibration sensor, and you have a temperature sensor, and you have speakers connected to it so that it could alert the user. Now coming to the interface section of Security Plus, this is the main basic form which will be there at startup. So it has all these options. For example, if you want to sound the alarm, and you could just stop it as well. If you want to see or monitor the vibration sensor, you could just click on that and it'll give you a current position, which is essentially at medium, or when it is not moved, there is no vibration being detected, it is at the mean position. And if you want to check the temperature, the ambient temperature of the room, you could do that. And if you want to view the webcam, you could just click on that, and you live images will be streamed. You could maybe change the size of the image and make it better, and you can also control the orientation of the webcam. So if you click left, the webcam essentially moves to the left. If I hit center over here, the webcam will move back to the center position, and if I hit the right here, then the webcam will be to the rightmost extreme. So let's get that back at center. And send message is essentially the sending a text message subroutine that I had written. So when you click on send message, it will send an alert message to the user. So let's take a basic look at the basic logic cycle for the Security Plus system. So the Security Plus system has a webcam and two sensors, a vibration sensor which acts like a motion sensor, and a temperature sensor which keeps monitoring the temperature. So if either of these two sensor data go out of bounds, then immediately the Security Plus system will send a text message or an SMS to the user on his phone and alert him, and then he can do a remote desktop on the Security Plus system, and he can have access to all the sensors, and even stop or start the alarm or view the webcam. So let us see what happens if I vibrate the vibration sensor a little more emphatically, so that it detects it to be irregular. So it says that the data is irregular now. So once I click on it, it will go ahead and type out the SMS, and anytime soon we'll be seeing the SMS. There we see the SMS which says alert, and it also has the IP address on which I should log in to do a remote desktop. So let's go ahead and do a remote desktop login. So I already have the IP address here, so I'll click on it and connect. So it's connecting there. So now I have total control over the entire form. So when it detected an irregular data, it started the alarm, which is continuously going on. So if I want to stop it via the remote desktop, I can do that. I'll just say stop alarm here, and the alarm stops. If I want to view the webcam, I can just click on that. and I should be able to see the image. And then I can go back to the security form.
So as you can see, I can also control the orientation of the webcam. So if I hit the left button, the webcam should move to its leftmost position, and there it goes. And if I hit the center button now, it should come back to its original center position. There. And if I hit the right button, similarly it should go to its rightmost position. And also you can send a remote desktop gives you complete access to the form, so you can make use of all the options that are available to you. So for example, if I want to check the temperature, I'll hit the temperature button and the temperature window should pop up. There you go. And for example, if I want to check on the motion sensor, I can just click on that button and then it should pop up the respective window. And there you can see the sensor shows it to be at mean position, so the vibration sensor has not been disturbed. And that was a basic cycle of Security Plus system. So basically you have these sensors. If they detect irregular data, it sends an SMS. You can do a remote desktop then from your phone, smartphone, and then you can have complete control over the entire form, all the sensors and the webcam of the system.